Hello everyone, welcome to Rocket Dude, and today I have a pretty cool video. So today I was at an antique store and I found a box with tons of funny stuff in it, and I found this Lego set for $5, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It still has its old stickers. There should be a Kmart sticker somewhere in here. Oh, hey, there's my dog. I don't know where it is. There was a fingernail in this box. That was kind of weird, but yeah, it has all of its papers and stuff, and I thought I might want to make a video about it. So, I better go build it, I guess. Alright, so it's only just now that I realized that, this is missing, a lot of pieces. So, yeah, it doesn't have this chair, it doesn't have any of those pieces, but yet it still has these tiny squares. So, yeah, that kind of sucks. Alright, so I couldn't really build the set, so let's just look at all the stuff in here. So, of course, we got all these pieces with a rubber band and some hay in it. Not even kidding. There's proof. And so, yeah, that's kind of weird. There's also a fingernail in here, as I said before. But I took that out right as I got the Lego sets. Yeah, so here of course you got all the booklets, you got, the sticker sheet, you got these booklets, as you can see. There's another booklet, which is, this Lego Direct thing. I don't know, I just read stuff, but this is Lego Direct. Yeah, this is Lego Direct, 1997. Then there's this also another one. It's a boat. Kind of strange. There's this. And there's also this, which is yeah. And there's also this very depressed Lego guy who's not really even a Lego guy. He's very sad. He has his helmet. These pieces actually, though, these pieces are in pretty nice shape. Very bright colors. Very late 90s, early 2000s. Yeah, do I regret buying this? No, not one bit, definitely. Well, I think that's pretty much it for the video. Bye. Oh, hey, I just found this, Kmart sticker right there. This used to be where the other stickers were, but this popped off right after I bought it, so, yeah.